How to check what processor you have. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find what processor you have on your laptop or any other device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So finding it is really simple. What you'll have to first do is open up your run. To open up your run, press Windows plus R key together. And after you do that, you'll need to type in msinfo32. As you can see, this is the one. Type in msinfo32, and after you do that, open it up. After you open it up, you will get your device's systems summary right here. Now from here, you can see processor, it's right here. So all you have to see is this one. As you can see, mine is Ryzen 5, and you can even see if you have any graphic cards or not and how many cores you have. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye. Take care.